chasing the kitty.
Oh, that's good. Are you getting that? Easy. One too many plucks.
Okay. Turret.
Turret.
Turret, Ragazza.
Turret. What?
Turret.
What? Good girl. Nice.
Come. Come. Come.
That's great footage there.
Come.
Ah,
That's all right.
Maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turret. Come. Come.
No, sweetie. No.
No. Great. Turret, come. I'm not sure we're going to use this one.
I don't know. I think you've got great footage of her trotting around there. Turret.
Brrr, Turret, come.
Turret. Whoop.
Brrr, come.
Whoop. Whoop. Turret. Good girl.
Come.
You know, Jane, you probably could just show her go in the one direction. She just wants to see that movement.
Yeah.
If she can suspend her, get her, I assume that's what.
Come on, Ragazza. Turret. Good girl. Come. Come. No.
Turret. What?
Brrr.
Good girl. Nice. Good girl. Wait, which direction do we need more of?
This.
Let's go. Oh, that looks good.
Come on. Good girl. Come.
Okay, let's go.
Hup.
Let's go.
Turret.
Good girl.
Come.
Good girl. Turret.
I think she's getting a little tired.
Turret. She's not really barking anymore.
No, I think she's tired.
Yeah, she was pretty sweaty.
All right, let's just calm her down. Come here, honey.
Good girl, Gaza.
Walk.
What a sweet
Walk.
guy. Oh.
Walk.
Oh. Nice.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, sweet.
Whoa.
Oops, she keeps beating me with the whip.
Yeah.
Whoop. That's right. Whoop. That's right.
Ragazza. Whoa.